For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I tried to use the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV for my last fishing trip. It just didn't perform as expected, and I'm about to show you why, /N. I was so excited to try out this top-of-the-line fish finder on my boat, but as soon as I turned it on, I realized that the user interface is clunky and not very intuitive. It takes a lot of time to navigate through the menus and find what you need, /N. There's a big problem with the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV. The sonar beam is too wide, which means it can pick up false targets and give you inaccurate readings. This is really frustrating when you're trying to catch a specific type of fish, /N. But that's not all. I also noticed that the battery life is quite short, especially if you're using the device in harsh weather conditions. This means you'll need to carry spare batteries with you, which adds extra weight and bulk to your boat. Rehook, are you tired of dealing with finicky fish finders? Therefore, when I was trying to use the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV on my last fishing trip, I realized that it just wasn't worth the hassle. The device is supposed to be one of the most advanced fish finders on the market, but in reality, it's got some major flaws, /N. Let me walk you through the problems I experienced with this device and why I wouldn't recommend it to anyone who wants a reliable and accurate fish finder. First off, the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV is supposed to have a high-resolution display that shows detailed images of the underwater environment. However, in my experience, the image quality was poor and often fuzzy, /N. The device also claims to have advanced sonar technology, but I found it to be inaccurate and unreliable. The readings were always off, which made it difficult for me to locate fish and make accurate casts, /N. I've tried to give the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV a fair chance, but unfortunately, it just didn't meet my expectations. If you're in the market for a new fish finder, I would recommend looking elsewhere. Rehook, what if I told you that there's a better alternative out there? Therefore, instead of wasting your money on a device that doesn't work as promised, why not consider investing in something that will actually help you catch more fish? The Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV may have some fancy features and a sleek design, but when it comes down to performance, it falls short, /N. I know that the company behind this product claims to be one of the leading manufacturers of marine electronics, but I've seen better products from other brands. If you're serious about fishing, you need a device that can deliver accurate readings and reliable performance every time, /N. The Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV is not just a disappointment. It's a waste of your hard-earned cash. There are far better alternatives out there that will give you the results you need to catch more fish. Rehook, don't waste another fishing trip with a finicky fish finder. Therefore, don't wait any longer to upgrade your fishing gear and get a device that actually works. The Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV may look sleek and modern, but it's just not worth the trouble, /N. In this video, I've shown you some of the major flaws in the Garmin ECHOMAP Ultra 122 SV, including poor user interface, inaccurate sonar readings, and short battery life. If you're still considering buying this device, I urge you to think twice. Call to action: for the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below, /N.